what I'm doing here is I'm showing what the edge quality is with using golden edge blades. Andy from Cut and Clean TV and Danny from Lanier Lawn Care up in Kansas City area. They did some videos on these and they recommended them. And I normally use an Echo curve shaft edger, which is just a 7 3/4 inch blade, but well, I just wanted to try something new, and so I tried this golden edge. Look at this thing. It's a beast. If you buy two, it's free shipping, so I had to go with the two. But anyhow, just wanted to point out these edges that I did. Grass quality, forget that, it's a work in progress, just like about everything. And gotta take care of that grass right there, the crack. But I just wanted to show what the edging will do with using this golden edge blade. And yeah, I watched the video several times that Andy and Danny from Lanier Lawn Care and Andy from Cut and Clean TV, I like to watch their channels both quite a bit. And when they came up with these, they're a couple years old, but Andy recently did an update where his blade was bad and he wanted to see about thinking about replacing it. It's been like 3 years, but that's his story. I'd rather you watch this video and see. But anyhow, it sparked my interest and I wanted to try this. These are incredible, and they really sling the dirt, but as long as you don't use too high of an RPM and you're not around a bunch of gravel. Luckily I just had a bunch of topsoil to go through, but I mean, that's pretty deep, but it's clean and crisp, and that's what I like. I wanted something that was good quality and something that normally is, instead of just having a little thin line. I mean, this is a definite definition right there. This is clean, and it's something to be proud of. Well, please like and subscribe, and I'll try and come up with some better videos and better camera quality. But I did want to say thank you again to Andy from Cut and Clean TV and Danny from Lanier Lawn Care, who I do not know either one from Adam, but their recommendation really I appreciate. Thank you.